Jai Srimanarayana, 43rd sloka of first chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Doshaihi yetaihi kulaghnanam varnasankara karakaihi उत्साद्यन्ते जातिधर्माः कुलधर्माश्च शाश्वताः. Om. Do not destroy the family tradition. Do not break family welfare activities and community welfare activities which are set by Sanatana Dharma. Sri Krishna Paramatma gives a final message in Srimad Bhagavad Gita saying that, come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam saranam vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that you all can repeat this. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall not destroy the family tradition. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall not break family welfare activities, community welfare activities which are set by Sanatana Dharma. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Karishye vachanam tava Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadam mrutadravasayyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్రుల వారికి నమస్కారం. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవోభినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీ దేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, soon after Bali Chakravarti gave the charity, Sri Mahavishnu, who was in the form of Vamana, spreaded himself all over the entire universe and became Trivikrama. Then Bali Chakravarti Kaye Balistasya Mahavibhutehe Saharutvikacharya Sadasyaha. Along with his acharyas, along with Ritviks, Bali Chakravarti is enjoying Paramatma's Trivikrama Swarupam. How is that Trivikrama Swarupam? Ravi Bimbambun Vupamimpan Patramaguchetrambai Siroratnamai Srivanalankritiyai Galabharanamai Savarnakeyuramai చెవిమత్కంకణమై కటిస్థలిన్ ఉదంచద్ఘంటయై నూపుర ప్రవరంబై పదపీఠమై వటుడు ఆ బ్రహ్మాండమున్నిండుచోన్. That Trivikrama Swarupam, when it is growing, Sakshat Surya Bhagavan became a beautiful alankaram, decoration to Trivikrama. When Paramatma is growing, Surya Bimbam, that sun, became Chetram, umbrella. And Paramatma has grown more and more. Then the same Surya Bhagavan became an alankaram, an ornament upon Paramatma's head. Again Paramatma has grown. Then the same Surya Bhagavan became the earrings to Paramatma. Again Paramatma, Trivikrama is growing and growing. Then the same Surya Bhagavan became an ornament on the neck of Trivikrama. Then again Paramatma has grown. Then the same Surya Bhagavan became ornaments of the shoulders of Trivikrama. Then Paramatma again and again is growing. Then same Surya Bhagavan became the ornaments on the hands to Paramatma, Kankanam. Then the same Surya Bhagavan became one beautiful Ganta, bell, on the waist of the Trivikrama, who is growing and growing. The same Surya Bhagavan finally became Padapithamai. Then he became a stand where Paramatma's feet can rest. That kind of growth Paramatma is growing, showing in his form Trivikrama Swarupam and showing his Trivikrama Swarupam to Bali Chakravarti. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, first chapter, 43rd sloka. Doshairetaihi kulagnanam varnasankara karakaihi utsadyante jati dharmaha kuladharmascha sasvataha. Doshairetaihi kulagnanam varnasankarakaihi utsadyante jati dharmaha kuladharmascha sasvataha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.